In this video, you will learn how to create Shopify access token. Click on the settings and then click on the apps and then click on the develop apps, build apps in dev dashboard and create a new app over here. Name it anything you want. So I will name it access token. Create this app and then you need to define the scope. What kind of permissions do you need to access this store? So I will select my scopes. For example, I need a read and write permission for the products and then click on release and release the version. Once the version is released, go to the home page of the app and install this app in your store. So I will install the app in the store, and after that I need to make an API request to get the token. I will go over here in the Postman and create the new request, a post request. I will be sending this post request at my store.myshopify.com/admin OAuth access token along with parameters, client ID, client secret, and the grant type. Grant type will be client credentials, and the client ID and client secret you can get from the setting of the app. Copy this client ID and paste that over here, and similarly copy the client secret and paste that over here and make the request. You will be able to get the Shopify access token along with the scope right products. So this is how you can make the Shopify access token in dev dashboard. I hope this video helps to you. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.